There's a bit of concern out there around the GPS week rollover event that's happening on April 6th or April 7th, depending upon your time zone. I put a blog post on ArduPilot.org, which talks about it a little bit and explains, why the ArduPilot dev team thinks that it's really not going to be an issue. So the reasons are written up there, but I guess in short, ArduPilot mostly makes use of the system time since boot for all of its internal calculations. So that system time from boot, obviously, is mostly not affected by the GPS time. And then I go on to mention, a few other places where we do use the GPS time, including in our real-time clock and our jitter correction, but we think that these are safe. Probably the most important thing is that the u-blox GPSs, which are the most commonly used GPSs, actually internally handle the rollover. So the rollover should happen whenever the GPS week goes above 1024. If you look in the logs, from one of your own logs or this log that I've posted in the blog, you'll see that the number is already above 1024. It's in my log it's 2046. So u-blox is already handling the rollover, so we're not actually going to see the week suddenly drop back to zero. Done some tests in CIDL, which I'll show in a moment, where I've tested what would happen if the week actually did roll over from 2048 back to zero. Putting a vehicle up into the air here, we can see the week displayed down here. We'll put it at 10 meters, and the date is 1 minute before 9 on April 7th, 2019. So here we go. See the vehicle here. Is it just sitting there at 10 meters, 11 meters? It should roll over pretty soon, in another 30 seconds. You can see the roll and pitch here as well, along with the throttle. So we can see if there's any unusual movements. 20 seconds to go until the rollover. Oh, it just rolled over. Nothing happened. So here's the log here. We should be able to see the rollover event here by looking at the week. So there it is there. Drops from 2048, 2047 maybe. Yeah, 2047 down to 0. Here's the times here. So we could see it's showing April 7th there. We'll just go all the way down. See, there's no jump in the system time. It just keeps on going. System time here is on the front of every message. We can see it just keeps on going up as it should. Here's our week dropping to 0. So this is the event right here. You zoom in there, and there's nothing special here happening at all. If you look at the desired yaw as well. It's all in the simulator, of course. Nothing happens there. Look at the throttle output. Again, no activity. So nothing happens, it seems, which is a good thing.